Howdy everyone. Hey, so we're still at the Willow and we're exploring the studio. I've just walked in and the door is literally right here. I've walked in and really cute door, keyless entry by the way. But right off you can see a desk area, so you could be working from there if you wanted to. And then let's walk in and just kind of see this. So here is a bathroom area. This is just not a studio. What? Look at this. Okay, so I'm walking in. Here's the bathroom. So cool. That's some great quartz countertops that are over there. Very, very nice. And then look at this, a closet. The closet is huge. This is the hugest closet I think I've ever seen for a studio. And it's so nice. There's so much space. And then here's your bedroom. Oh my gosh, the bedroom, it has two barn doors that close off to it. It's so cool. This is awesome. This is not a studio. Whatever. Okay. But I like it that it's bigger than I'm thinking and cuter than I'm thinking. This is amazing. Okay, we're actually going to do a part 2 of this, and we're going to go to the living room area and the balcony. So that's going to be right there. We're going to do it right now.